Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my last slime collection, and it's like these I'm going to give it to my cousin. Yeah, I'm going to have my last slime. I'm going to make, probably on the weekend, I'm going to make a new one. So first I'm going to show you how it looks. Where I can take a look at it, and I'm going to show you. So here it is. So it's right here, and it's good. So, and I also have this one is like $1, and I also have this glitter that I want to add to it, but I can't. So bye bye.